In this video, I explain how to start affiliate marketing successfully. If you're thinking about starting an affiliate marketing business, or if you are in affiliate marketing already, but not having the success you hope for and you need a restart, this video is for you, so stick with me till the end. And I will tell you how to get my free ebook. It's a step-by-step blueprint that can put you on the fast track to success in affiliate marketing. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay. I've been a full-time affiliate marketer for years, and I've found it to be the very best way for everyday people to create both time and money freedom, if you learn how to do it right. Hey, please be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not done so yet. I post a number of new videos every week to help you have more success, and I hope you'll give this video a thumbs up too, to let YouTube know that this is the kind of content you like. And as always, feel free to leave any questions or comments. I do read and respond to all of them. So first, just what is affiliate marketing? Well, this is a business model where you sell someone else's product or service and get paid a commission. It can be super simple, very lucrative, and very low cost to start. You can be your own boss and leverage the power of automated systems to generate both rapid cash flow and substantial long-term recurring or passive income too. That's money that can come in month after month from the sales you make each day. Again, if you learn how to do it right. Affiliate marketing can be ideal for people who are already very busy, as it can be done in very minimal time. Bottom line, almost anyone can be successful in affiliate marketing. No previous experience is necessary. And because it's all done online, you can put that time in whenever it's convenient for you and from wherever you want to be. I even build my affiliate marketing business while I'm out sailing. But unfortunately, too many people do not have the success they wanted in affiliate marketing, and many fail miserably. However, it does not have to be that way. See, it all comes down to a lack of proper training. The very first thing you need to learn is how to get started in affiliate marketing the right way. And that's far more than just the particular affiliate opportunity that you choose to promote. And many new marketers shoot themselves in the foot right here. They run out and join a particular business thinking it's the next big thing, when that is only a small part of what you need to succeed. See, you need to learn how to market an affiliate marketing offer the right way. You need a system to not only automate the process, but find a daily supply of people who are looking for what you have. You'll need the right tools, ongoing training, personal mentoring, and support. You need a clear and proven path to follow. And that's why you need my free ebook, The Affiliate Marketing Success Blueprint. In it, I share proven ways that you can make more money in affiliate marketing, even without previous experience. By following what's in the ebook, you can take the fast track to success just by copying what works. It's really that simple. The ebook is a free download. No credit card is required. So grab your copy of the ebook now. I'm not sure how much longer I will be able to offer it for free. To download your free ebook, go to affiliatemarketingsuccessblueprint.com. Read it, follow what's in it, and you will be on the path to success. Again, that's affiliatemarketingsuccessblueprint.com. Grab your copy now. We'll talk soon.